With Business Central, you have the capability to track changes within Business Central from any table using the change log. We're going to go to the change log setup, and from here, change log activated or not. Important, tracking changes can impact performance, which can cost you time and increase the size of your database, which might cost you money. To reduce costs, consider the following. Use caution when choosing the tables. Do not add ledger entries and posted documents. Instead, prioritize system fields such as created by created date. That's pretty cool. So let's turn it on. Turning on might slow things down. Yes. Set up tables. And from here, I can choose which table we wish to monitor. So let's go. I'm going to go user settings, and I wish to see if some fields are updated or all, the log modification, or deletion. So effectively what we're saying here is any new user set up into this table 9172, we will see. If any user is modified, we will see. And if any user is deleted, we will see. And again, you can say some fields, and then from some fields, it's going to open the fields here, and I can choose what I want to log. But for the purpose of this example, let's just run with all fields. Okay. So we now have we have set up a table. Okay, and I'm going to close here from the changelog setup. Now the session's restarted. We're going to go to changelog entries, and I can see here it's now got data that's actually inserting. So we've had this on before. This is not the current date and time. So if I flip that, because I'm in 2023, and right now I can see that changelog's been turned back on. So I'm now going to search user. I'm going to go to demo admin. I'm going to change the name demo admin. So I've changed his name. Rename the user. We'll also update related records. Yes. Now that this change is done, we've made a change in the table. I'm going to search change log entries. We're going to invert this upside down. And I can see here at 8:52 modification, the old value was demo.admin, the new value is demo.admin, and that's tracked those changes. Very powerful, better to be used when you're looking for a specific target and you want to make sure that you definitely isolate on your tables what you're really looking to achieve, so you don't flood your system with data and slow the system's performance down. Thank you.